What's going on YouTube? So Andrew here, and today I'm going to be showing you something really cool. A lot of people with the NA Miatas that need a factory, I guess, aluminum radiator replacement. The only option they really have is going for the one-core radiator. I'm going to show you guys how to do the two-core radiator, the ones you can find on eBay or Mishimoto or anything like that. I'm going to show you guys how to install one on this here automatic Miata. Alright, so first thing what you're gonna do, obviously, is not wear a white shirt like I am, because that is the worst thing you can do when working on your car, unless you want that white shirt to be ruined. So, gonna go ahead and open up this hood here, and it is extremely hot in my garage right now. It's been raining outside, and it's been absolutely disgusting. So here we go. Here's the aluminum radiator, two-core. As you can see, I don't have a clutch pedal or anything like that. As you can see, automatic, two clutches. Here is the two-core aluminum radiator. As you can see, everything is pretty tight tolerance, right? So this thing barely fits, but as you can see, it does fit. There's not a issue. So the major difference between the two radiators, the automatic versus the manual ones, is that the automatic has a return and outlet for your transmission cooler. Now, your transmission fluid runs through the radiator and cools the transmission fluid. So what we need to do, because these two-core aluminum radiators are meant for only manual cars, they don't have those two little prongs. What you need to do is have an external oil cooler or transmission cooler in this case, right? So I'll show you what I did. The difference, and I'm gonna try to shine a light here. As you can see, those little two things, that one and that one, those two little hoses, that one is your inlet and outlet for your transmission lines, right? So those lines go all the way to the back, all the way to the transmission. As you can see here, I have some braided, I think I want to say it's 10 NA or something, or NA lines, or those go all the way to the front. As you can see, I don't think you'll be able to see from here, but if I get underneath the car, this right here, this big old black thing, that is the transmission cooler. I also bought this one on eBay. I think it was a 13-row aluminum air oil cooler or something. But anyways, let me see if I can get a little closer. As you can see, down there is the actual line. You can see one of the braids right here. And then that little thing right there is the connecting piece. And I have it actually sitting upside down. And I just have it zip tied. I don't know if you can barely see it. As you can see right there, I just have it zip tied to this. I think this is a air conditioner condenser line or something like that. I have one zip tie right there, and then I have another zip tie right there. And it's been holding up pretty good. I haven't had any leaks or anything like that. And up top, as I showed you before, that one, those are just hose clamps, and I screwed them together, and I mean, I'm not getting any leaks or anything like that, so that's pretty much good. And this is an eBay radiator, and I mean, and up top here you can see I just have just regular hose clamps, and everything, the whole system is pretty good. I drive in traffic about an hour, and I haven't had any issues with my transmission or anything like that. I didn't want to do this unless I knew for sure that this was working, and guys, right now it is working like a charm, right? So you can apply this to any car you get, right? So even if you have a normal automatic transmission car and you have these lines coming into your radiator, I think it might be a great idea to install an external transmission cooler, just because you don't want that transmission cooler mixing the transmission fluid mixing with the radiator fluid, because that could spell bad damage if you get radiator fluid in your transmission, and that just screws up all the gears, screws up the lubrication, screws up the heat index, or whatever the case may be. So you got to be careful, guys. In this way, I'm keeping both the systems fully separate, so they're never going to mix together, and I think it's kind of cool. I think it's kind of cool that I can get a two-core aluminum radiator. I haven't had any issues with both the systems, the aluminum radiator, nor have I had any issues with the oil cooler either. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to shoot a quick little video on how to do this. I know most of you guys, there's not really a write-up for this for the Miata, so some of you guys that do want to like go supercharging route for with the automatic or anything like that, this is a pretty good way to keep your engine running cool, and also you're having your transmission peace of mind. So anyways guys, that's pretty much it for these videos. If you like this video and you want to see more, go ahead and give a like and leave some comments down what you want to see next about this car or anything in general, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace.